Paano na? Kumusta? Just to ease the time. Sino guess nyo?
Sa akin, boy.
Sa akin, hero.
Serious na nga, hindi na ako pag-isa.
Oh, yan talaga.
Girl na lang ako para iba.
Sabi niya, okay lang din siya girl kasi para sweet daw sa kanya. Sabi,
Pero tayo guys, show of hands, sinong team boy?
Ganda ko may next baby. Wala mo lalaki?
Babae pa rin? Gusto mo? Lalaki ba na? Kahit ano? Gusto mo pa lalaki? Babae. Babae din. Pero anong hula mo? Babae din?
Boy, ako boy.
Boy, gusto ko boy pero parang feeling ko girl.
Boy.
girl ako, girl.
Girl? Ayaw bro.
Ako gusto ko boy.
Boy pero feeling ko girl.
Ayaw bro. Ayaw bro, Merz. Ano?
Boy.
Boy.
Kaya burger.
Ikaw, Bel. Ano mo lang mo? Girl?
Boy.
Boy. Ayaw bro, team pads.
Boy.
So, mga lalaki
Oh my God, pwede mo.
Sige. Right now is we're gonna try to use our imagination.
Good one. Serious na imagine.
8 hearts. 8 hearts.
Ate, can you spread it out? So it's facing upright. For anything else, would you guys want to change your selection?
So, may change namin.
Sure na.
Sure na.
Sure na. Yes, Show it to the camera.
Wow, ang galing!
Wow!
Show it.
Little hearts. Little hearts.
Galing! Paano may ginawa?
Okay, now we're gonna go to the most exciting part. So everything from kanina is all about choices. So Liz, give the card to them. We have 3 color markers here. So it's completely random. So I want you guys to write girl or boy.
Here?
Yeah, you can sign it. You're gonna also pick a card sa akin or put your signature. The reason why I want na lagay yung signature niyo is I want it to be unique. So,
Oh, you want to write also?
okay, right. Right. Yes. Thank you. Yung volunteer, makakaano mo siya.
Pamili ko?
Ano pa sila?
Yung red marker. So, it's a blank. Okay guys, taas natin lahat ng right hand natin. Power!
Laban!
Ah! Right hand. Right hand.
Hawak mo lang.
Please raise your right hand. Hawak mo.
3 of clubs. I want us to fist bump.
Talon ka dali. Ikaw makabilang mo.
And what happened actually was, their card is na sa akin.
Alam mo, tingin! Alam, ang galing!
Now, this is the moment of truth.
Yan na yung it's ano. Yung
May sulat
blank.
na yan!
The gender is in your hands.
Ano po?
Isa.
Together. Okay.
Yung kagat para
Kagat?
Lakihan nyo na agad ang kagat ha. Pinakamalaking kagat.
Tagalog. Yay! It's a girl, baby!
It's accidental. Girl,
Girl ulit.
girl ulit.
Sabihin niya, may kakanto pa.
Bawi next time. Bawi next time. Bawi next time. Thank you guys. Roma.
It's a girl.
Pa, ano? Anong gender yan?
Anong gender pa?
Hindi ano ni Papa. Anong gender?
Hindi pa nakita.
Oy,
Ito, Jess.
kailangan mo pa ulit ang kapatid.
Isa pa.
It's a girl!
Mali tayo lahat. At least nakapit ka. Girl, video natin. Say girl.